Okay, so for this problem, given this equation here, and given that we have a constant that we want to find, okay? Given that there are two distinct real roots, we want to find the range of p, okay? Now we're trying to find p, given that there are two real roots. Well, looking at this table here, if we have two real roots, that means the delta must be greater than 0, right? So delta equals to, well, this is A, negative 12 is B, and positive P is C, right? So we have B squared, which is negative 12 whole squared, minus 4 times 2, that is A, and positive P. Okay, and we know that it must be greater than 0. Okay, then we simplify, and this is minus 8p must equal to 0. Okay, then we move this to the other side, then we will have 144 is greater than 8p. Okay, then I move the 8 to the bottom here, divided by 8. So we have 18 is greater than p, because we take 144 divided by 8. So in other words, p is less than 18.